Hey guys, this is a public service announcement from Apex Tactical. I want to walk you through the proper lubrication of your Glock pistols. For this maintenance video, we're going to need a 3/32 pin punch or an armorer's tool for the Glock and lube. I don't care what kind, lubricant. I don't care what brand, I don't care what variety, lube. This is about lubrication because lubrication is critical. So, a punch and lubricant of some variety, gun grade lubricant of any variety should do the trick. One of the most critical things to proper operation of any machine or mechanical device, like a gun, is lubrication. One of the things I want people to be aware of is they need to lubricate the intersection between the trigger bar and the connector. That's done easily enough by removing the connector pin at the back and pulling the housing out. In this case, all I need to do is have a little separation here and put some oil or grease right there between the connector and this trigger bar, and then put it back together. It's not very hard to do. It takes just a few seconds, as you saw here, and it's very critical to operation. If you don't lubricate that and it gets dry as you're shooting, within a few hundred rounds, you're gonna go from a 4.5 pound trigger pull to 8.5 to 9 pounds, and that's not good. So keep it lubricated. Like any other machine, it requires lubrication. So this video, I think it gave you a little bit of an insight into what we're trying to say here. Lubricate, that's all I'm trying to say. Lubricate your gun, it makes it function better. You'll be much happier long-term with your gun. So lubricate, that's all I'm looking for.